Пойдем сейчас птиц смотреть. Пингвинчиков, голубых голубей, фрегатов, может быть. Сейчас посмотрим. Вась, посмотри.
Okay, this is like one of the smallest species of penguins that you have in the world, no? We're having three smallest species, no? The first one is like 25 centimeters, the blue penguin. The second one is 30 centimeters. This one is 35 centimeters, no? Look at, you're looking at an adult. It's like it's like an informal state, like getting a full dress, no? When you can see like an wave, like fingers, those are doing that.
Такой красивенький. Лодка шатается. Не боится, не уходит.
So these penguins are really like a famous because in Galapagos are well endemic now, but are the unique species where can just like cross the equator line. So these guys are living like in the south hemispherium and north hemispherium. So I'm not talking about like at the south pole, no. So that means like the equator line is right in that direction, in more or less like in 30 meters in our boat, you're having the equator line. So these guys can just be able to cross this. The other 17 species that you have in the world are just basically living in the south hemisphere. No? If you're lucky, so later we're gonna just get ready on the boat to go to the water. So we're going to dig basically around that pinnacle.
Богданчик, такой пингвин красивый, да?
We're having like all those rocks is the seabirds poop, no? You have blue-footed boobies, you have pelicans. Oh, look at the Nazca movie. Nazca, look at that one behind you. Oh, black and white. Nazca movie. No, I'm kidding. That one, no? Oh, look at the blue-footed boobies. The blue-footed boobies were three on that rock. So, depending on the conditions later, no? Because like the conditions change really fast. Sometimes. Oh, yeah. Why we say boobies? So the real word was bobos. When these guys fall in love, they walks and dance like a penguin. Looks like really like an ugly behavior. So you can see like how these guys do like an stupid dances. No? Yeah. But the best word to say in Ecuadorian style, we say bobos. And we say these birds are bobos, but we explain to the English people in Spanish. And the English people understood boobies when we say bobos. And it was not like a mistake of them because like they were asking, so are you serious that these guys are boobies? And we say yes because we thought boobies mean bobos. No, but the first word that we say to these birds are bobos. And how do you know if you're taking photos to the male or the female? So when you see like in the eyes and a big pupil, most of the eye is black, that's a female. And a tiny pupil, most of the eye is yellow, that's a male. So what do you think about this guy? Male or female? Guys, what's the difference between sea lions and seals? Huh? Sea lions, they have external ears, 3-4 centimeters each external ears. The seals, they don't have that. They can hear you, but just with a tiny hole, and you're not gonna see that because like the hair covered that. What do you think? How does the lion get there? Jumping from that side and then walking. Wow. So they can jump more or less like a meter. So come really fast, like torpedoes, and jump there and then.
Попрыгнул туда сам.
Are more flexible than we can do that.
Очень гибкие крабики.
Also, they use the stairs. They climb stairs. Better than most of the people. It's really difficult how we can see like how these guys are so flexible. Are really flexible. And also are really curious. They love tourists. They love people. In the water, if you can see them, they play with you. You don't have to be worried. Some people can be scared because sea lions come so fast. You can just run now. You can just stay quiet. Look over here. Baby, huh? Almost sounds like I touched my belly. Like you're not allowed to touch, huh? Oh, like that guy's playing like shark.
Yeah.
Of course. I don't like this guy's keep like waiting, you know? Look at over there. It is what 4 puppies, 1 pelican, 1 sea lion. It's like a family crab. Sunny life with crab. When you hear, like in this case, when the sea lions just bark, no, like, that's like a big boss or like a guy who would try just to let you know that he is the responsible to protect the space, no?